Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Korean Culture Center. It's your favorite Hansik Sandagi, and today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Nigeria and South Korea. This video aims to explore the similarities between Nigerian palm wine and South Korean makgeolli. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe so as to explore more on this channel, and also don't forget to like and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when a new video is posted. Makgeolli, a traditional Korean rice wine, and Nigerian palm wine, a fermented beverage made from the sap of palm trees, are two distinct beverages from opposite sides of the globe. Despite their different origins, these drinks share numerous similarities that highlight the universal nature of traditional fermented beverages. This video explores the cultural significance, production methods, flavor profiles, and social context of these two beloved drinks. In South Korea, makgeolli holds a special place in the hearts of many. It is a staple at social gatherings, festivals, and ancestral rituals, symbolizing community and tradition. Similarly, in Nigeria, palm wine is deeply embedded in our culture. It is a common feature at social events, ceremonies, and is often used in traditional medicine. Both beverages serve as more than just drinks. They are integral parts of our cultural identity and heritage. Makgeolli is derived from rice, water, and nuruk, a fermentation starter. The process involves steaming the rice, mixing it with nuruk and water, and allowing it to ferment. Palm wine, on the other hand, is derived from the sap of palm trees. The sap is collected by tapping the tree and is then left to ferment naturally. Despite the different base ingredients, both beverages rely on natural fermentation processes to develop unique flavors. Makgeolli is known for its milky appearance and sweet, tangy flavor, with an alcohol content typically around 6 to 8%. Freshly tapped palm wine is sweet and non-alcoholic, but quickly ferments to become mildly alcoholic. Over time, its flavor can become stronger and more sour. Both beverages offer a refreshing taste with varying degrees of alcohol content that caters to different preference. Drinking makgeolli is often a communal activity in Korea, enjoyed among friends with various drinking games, enhancing the social experience. Palm wine is similarly enjoyed in Nigeria, often shared at community gatherings and social events. The communal consumption of these beverages fosters a sense of togetherness and celebration. Makgeolli is praised for its health benefits, being rich in amino acids, vitamins, and probiotics. Palm wine also boasts a high nutritional content and is used in traditional medicine for its purported health benefits. Both beverages are celebrated not only for their taste but also for their contribution to overall well-being. In recent years, makgeolli has seen a rise in popularity beyond Korea, gaining fans around the world who appreciate its unique taste and cultural significance. Similarly, there is a growing interest in palm wine outside of Nigeria, with people seeking to experience this traditional drink. The globalization of these beverages highlights a broader trend of cultural exchange and appreciation. Makgeolli and palm wine, while originating from different parts of the world, share remarkable similarities in their cultural significance, production methods, and social rules. These traditional beverages remind us of the importance of preserving and celebrating our diverse cultural heritage in an increasingly globalized world.